I'm Luke Schelberger. I'm an ENT doc. I'm also board certified in sleep medicine. And so when I was taking those certification back in, I think it was back in 2011, and also got recertified last year, I remember reading something about snoring and playing the didgeridoo. Now, the didgeridoo is a Australian instrument that is this long wooden tube that is played, or is originated by the Australian Aboriginals. Kind of has this really weird sound, like wow, wow sound. Anyway, apparently there is something that you do in your mouth that if you learn to play the didgeridoo, there is actually research that shows that it will help your snoring. I don't have a didgeridoo. I'd love to have one, but I also don't snore, so I didn't feel any reason to buy one. Anyway, there's been some research that has shown that there's actually exercises that you can do, and an article out of a medical journal called Chest, which is a pulmonary medicine journal, showed in 2015 that they actually researched patients who snored and found that patients who did some exercises in their throat, actually their snoring got better. And so there's, 6 exercises that they mentioned. I'm going to kind of go through them. It said if you did this 20 times a day, you need to push the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth or the hard palate and slide your tongue backwards. So, and do that 20 times. All right, so I've done that. Suck entire tongue up against the palate or the roof of the mouth 20 times. I've done that a few times. Force the back of your tongue against the floor of your mouth while touching the tip of the tongue to the bottom incisors. All right, can do that. Elevation of soft palate or the roof of the mouth and uvula while intermittently saying ah, 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 ah. All right, can do that. Place your finger in your mouth and press the buccinator muscle outwards. So the buccinator muscle is a muscle on the side of your mouth, and you do it 10 times a side. It's not very comfortable. I don't really like doing that. And then it says chew and swallow on both sides of the mouth whenever eating, and avoid perioral contraction. I'm not sure what that means. So I'm going to forget that I read that part. I guess chewing on both sides of the mouth, that makes sense, but perioral contraction, perioral is around the mouth. Anyway, we're going to pretend like I know what that means, and you should know it too. But the rest of these you can do. So again, another way to help your snoring that is research-based.